I'm Roxanne, and I am 44 years old. I'm from California in the United States, and um, I'm going through a midlife crisis.
Today is my first day with 55 pounds extra besides myself on the bicycle, and I'm learning a lot. I've got all the weight on the back, and I think it's a bad idea. I feel like I'm doing something wrong with this thing. I might need to consider figuring out a way to drop 10 pounds off of what I'm carrying. At the moment, I got a lot of clothes in there. Cute clothes.
This is funny. This is what learning is.
Starting to think that 12 weeks, 3,000 miles, I feel like I'm gonna need a lot more practice.
This is a weird thing to learn how to do. It's just the comedy of errors. It's kind of my life anyway. Like book titles, and my life, one big happy accident. I'm gonna need to write scripts for this stuff because I'm not gonna have enough time to edit these things. See, I'm doing this thing where I'm trying to walk and make the shot really interesting. It just doesn't feel natural. So this is where I've been staying. This is my parents' house. It's pretty great. This is the yard. Let's try. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing for the bike ride is I'm going to be following Adventure Cycling Tours is an organization that has mapped out all of the best cycling routes in the US. And the southern tier route is the shortest route along the United States southern border. I will be following their maps from El Paso, Texas, all the way down to the Keys. I'm trying to be really gentle about this process. I mean, I've been living my life on my bicycle for years now, so it's not as if I'm new to the bicycle. Hopefully, make some new friends, start to learn to trust again, and focus on some stories that are worth my attention. So that's my goal.
Look, Mom! No hands!
Yeah, I think we've hit the mark for today. And I paid for these maps, and damn it! God damn it! I swear! Yes, please, don't just, please. I'm sorry. Come back outside. I can do this later.
Are you recording that?
Yes, just come outside. I can do this later.
All that on your